Hello guys, this is Raghavendra. I hope you guys are fine and doing well. Um, Today I am going to say about the functions. After finishing up the functions, I am going to end the SQL within 3 or 4 videos. Okay, please be regular and watch my videos, like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay, today topic is functions, right? What is the use of the functions? Functions are used to perform the operations. I am giving the definition here. See it. Functions are used to perform operations. Okay. Functions are used to perform operations. How many types of functions are there? What are they? How they are going to be used? I am going to explain today. Okay. There are two types of functions. Okay. There are two types of functions. They are single row functions, multi-row functions. Okay. Functions are of two types. They are single row functions and multi-row functions. Now I am going to explain about the single row functions. Okay. Sorry. Single row functions. Here in single row functions we will take each row as input and produce the output from each row. Okay, means we will give input as see here in this table we are having the different rows. Similarly we are having the 5 rows. We give inputs from these 5 rows and single row function will give the outputs in 5 rows here like this. Okay, the input of the row 1 is we are getting output as a row 1. Okay, for similarly for row 2 the output will be in row 2 only. For row 3 output will be row 3 only. For row 4 output will be row 4. For output for of 5 will be from the input in 5. Okay, again I am explaining. For each row, for that row only output will be come through the single row function. Okay, now I am going to explain about the multi-row functions. Okay, in multi-row functions the function will take all the rows as input and produce exactly one output. Okay, here in this diagram we can see there are several inputs and the multi-row function will take all those inputs and produce only one output. Okay, I am giving the definition here. This function will take all the rows as input and produce exactly one output. Produce only one output. Okay, once again I am explaining through the diagram. Here there are several inputs and the multi-row function will take all those inputs and give the only one output. Okay, Now I am going to explain the single row functions. How many types of single row functions? What are their uses? Okay. In single row functions, there are several types. They are length. First one is length. It is used for displaying the length of the given input. It is used for display length of given input. Display length of given input. Okay. I am giving the syntax also. Okay. Syntax is length. In brackets we will give the data. Okay. For which data you have to find the length, we will give the data in brackets. Okay. So that we can get the length of the data. I am explaining with example also. Okay. For example, Raghavendra or Raghava. Okay. How many letters are there? R A G H A V N V A. Nearly 7 letters, right? If we give these 7 letters in this manner, then the output would be 7. Okay. Now the length is finished. Second one, lower. Lower is a function which is used for converting all type of characters into lower characters. Okay. We can give any type of characters. Those all type of characters will be converted into the lower characters. Okay. I will explain clearly. Wait. First I am giving the definition. I will display. It will display all the letters. Sorry. We can say letters are characters. Okay. Letters into lowercase letters. Okay. I hope you guys know the higher case letters and the lower case letters, right? Higher case letters means capital letters. Lower case letters means normal. Okay. I am giving the syntax. Okay. Syntax lower DA. Okay. If we give the syntax means and the data present in the brackets will be converted into the lower case letters only. Okay. I am giving the Smith. Okay. I am giving the name Smith in brackets. Okay. And the output would be 5. Okay. Here how many letters are there in Smith? 5. So the output would be 5. Sorry. The output would be sorry I am once again sorry. Here we are finding out the lower case, right? Lower Smith. In Smith we can give the capital letters. Okay. Smith SMA. Okay. Here I explain with example. Okay. Now the next function is upper. Okay. Now the next function is upper. After lower we have the upper case. sorry, we have upper function. This upper function is used to display all letters into capital letters. Okay, here the definition, it will display all the letters into the uppercase letters. Okay, syntax is simple, very simple. We use syntax with upper in brackets. What are the data we have to convert into the capital letters? We have to give the data into the capital letters, and then we can get the all letters as a capital letters. Okay, now the upper is also finished. Second one, fourth function is init cap. Okay, in a init cap, we can display the starting letter as capital letter and remaining all letters as a small letters. Okay, here is the syntax. In the syntax, we give the init cap before the brackets. And then brackets you have to give the data which you want to convert the starting letter as the capital letter and remaining all letters as small letters. Okay, and I explained with an example. Init cap, in brackets you have to give the name which you want to give. Here I gave the Smith, and the output would be the starting letter would be the capital letter and the remaining all letters would be the small letters. Init cap is also finished. Now coming to the concat function. Here the concat function is used for merging the two columns in a table or the two values. Okay, here the syntax is concat input 1 comma input 2 or column 1 comma column 2. We can merge those two columns and give the output. Okay, after the concat function we have the nested function. In nested function we can write one function in the another function. The syntax is func in bracket func in bracket data bracket close. Here is the syntax closed. Okay, we can use this nested function to give the one function in the other function. Okay, that's all about the nested function. Next one is multi-row functions. Okay, after single row functions, multi-row functions. There are 5 types of multi-row functions. There are there are 5 types of multi-row functions. Okay, first one, max. Second one, I will explain what is max and I will go to the second one. Max is to find the max data. Okay, to find max data. Okay, example, select max. I am explaining with example with query. Okay, emp. Okay, if we give the query like this, we can get the for example, we have a table in our database. In the table there is a column named sal. In that column, what is the maximum salary we want to know. So by using the max function, we can get the what is the maximum salary present in the sal column. Okay, coming to the second one is the minimum. It is mentioned with min. It is used to find out the minimum. Okay, to find the minimum in the given data. To find the minimum in the given data. Minimum data. Okay, I am explaining with a query. You can easily understand. Select min sal from emp. Okay, if we have the column name as sal, from the column, if you want to get the minimum salary details, so we have to use the minimum function to find out the minimum salary present in that column. Okay, here minimum is the second one. Okay, Third one is AVG. This function is used to find the average of the given data. To find the average of the given data. To find the average of the given data. Okay. Given data. Example. Select AVG from EMP. Okay. Fourth one is a sum. Here to find the sum of the data. Okay. We use the sum function for finding out the sum. Okay. And the example is select sum sal from EMP. Okay. From EMP. After sum function, we have the count function. It is used for finding the count of the number of rows present in the table or the number of columns present in the table. Okay. To find count of number of rows present in a table and in a column. Now I am giving example. Okay. By seeing this example, you can easily understand count. Okay. Okay. Now the count function is finished. Today I have finished the single row functions and the multi row functions, and tomorrow or within few days I will give you the remaining topics and I will complete the SQL within 3 or 4 videos. Okay. Please follow and like it, share it and subscribe it and study well. Okay. It will be useful for your career. Bye. Have a nice day.